So excited to be here working at Magic Kid's Pizzeria. I should explore my little office. Shouldn't I? Yeah. What's the button do? Does a button? What does it do? Okay, that was weird. Time's only 1:30. Okay. Cameras. Dude. Okay, Magic's on stage. 2. It's 2. Okay. What the? Just went static. Okay, now it's. What the? Magic. What is he? He's in the eating or the dining area. What's the time? 3:30. Okay. It's 4. Hey guys, if you're new here, well, please sub. I never, for some reason, say that. And, yeah, hope you enjoyed that video. If you're new here, subscribe down below or up above, depending on what device you use. Down below if you use some kind of computer, up above if you use mobile device. Dab and goodbye. Thanks for watching.